मोहन ने पता मैंने तो इसकी राइटिंग कर लेनी बस ये मेरे से मत बोल बेटे वो मोहन ने पता नहीं पूरा वो 10 बजे थे वो
Indian Constitution and historical upgrading. Evolution feature amended significant and provision and basic structures. NCT of the Delhi Amendment will and balance the proper functionings of the Delhi Assembly and the Cooperative Federation in India. Do you agree? The NCT है of Delhi Amendment Bill balance जो था the proper functioning कर रहा था of the Delhi Assembly में and the Cooperative Federation in India में. Do you agree? क्या आप agree हैं इससे? The National Capital Territory of the Delhi is an union territory and with other legislative and it's come into the being in the 1991 under the Article 239 AA of the Constitution inserted and by the Constitution 69th Assembly 69 Amendment Act 1991 as per the exciting act the Legislative Assembly has the powers to make law in all matter aspect and public orders and police and land body. Articles 239A of the Constitution of India. It is granted. It is granted special status of Delhi to in 1991 through the 69 Constitution Amendment Bill. The 69 CA and provided Delhi and with other legislative assembly and other council of the minister and COM. The COM was made responsible to the legislative assembly and the empowered to deal and with the matter of the concern to the common man. The recently introduced and government of NCT of Delhi Amendment Bill 2021 is against Article 239 AA. The bill gives discretionary power and to the LG of Delhi even in the matters and where the Legislative Assembly of Delhi is empowered and to make laws. The Delhi state the Delhi state government has criticized the bill and saying that Sikh drastically and cultures powers the elected government and which is against the Supreme Court judgment and 2010 and major provision of the NCT of Delhi Amendment Bill 2020. Among the major proposed amendment, one makes it is the implicated clear that the terms and government in any the laws made by the Legislative Assembly. This essentials and gives effect to the former LG 2015 assertions है that the government means the lieutenant governor का of the NCT में of Delhi appointment and by the president under the Article 239 and the designated as such under the Article 239A of the Constitution. The bill adds that the LG opinion shall be obtained and before the government takes any the executive's action based on the decisions and taken by the cabinet and to any taken by the cabinet or any the individuals and ministers. The implications of the NCT of the Delhi and Amendment Bill upon the Indian Federation, equating the LG and with the government supplied करती है undermine the legitimacy of the elections government and thereby the discrediting and representative democracy. The bill going against जाता है the spirit of the 2018 verdict के द्वारा the provision and such as the getting the compulsory opinion and from the LG are against the verdict. The NCT of Delhi Amendment Bill restrict the Delhi government and from the inquirings into the executive matters जो रहता है the Delhi Assembly का it present is examine multiple issues ranging from road to the environment and is the disagreed The idea of the democracy and concern conceive and for the NCT of Delhi and by the Articles 239 AA of the Constitution. The NCT of Delhi Amendment Bill, if the passed and would be a hug and setback and from the Delhi quest for full statehood and as the LG gets and proceeds to the Delhi government. The bill empowered LG and to the specify and certain matter on which his the opinion must be the taken and this can be the curtail. The autonomy that any the elected government जो लेती है legitimately and required करती है for government को गवर्नेंस को प्रोवाइडिंग एक्सेस पावर जो रहता है टू एलजी का कैन आल्सो डिस्टोर करता है द फेडरेशन इक्विलिब्रियम्स में द सेंटर कैन यूज दिस बिल जो सेंटर यूज करते हैं इस बिल को एज अदर प्रेसिडेंट एंड टू द कर्टन द पावर ऑफ द अदर स्टेट इन द फ्यूचर सजेशन द न्यू बिल एंड शुड बी जो न्यू बिल रहता है एंड शुड बी द डिसअबोलिश्ड in the light of justice and by Diva Chandrachud. Chandrachud and not in the 2018 verdict in other democratic and forms of government जो the real power and must the substitute and the elected arms of state. एक fusion discussion रहता है and deliberation and should takes and place between the center and the Delhi गवर्नमेंट ऑन द एबिशियस प्रोविजंस रहता है ऑफ द बिल का दिस विल हेल्प इन द इरेडिकेशंस ऑफ अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल एंड अनडेमोक्रेटिक प्रोविजंस अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट द गवर्नमेंट एंड एट द concern state must cooperate to make sure that the LG can discharge it is a constitutional function at the same time. They need to avoid LG doesn't become other hand rich and too developed. Conclusion जो गवर्नमेंट रहती है मस्ट रिकंसीडर करती है द एनसीटी ऑफ दिल्ली अमेंडमेंट बिल को एंड एज पर द एडवाइस ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट को द रिवेम्पेड प्रोविजन जो रहता है शुड इनेबल रहता है एलजी टू एक्ट एज अदर फैसिलिटेटर्स एंड फॉर द अप होल्डिंग्स द लॉ ऑफ द लैंड एंड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन प्रोविजन द स्ट्रिकिंग Question number 2. The striking down of the 97 Amendment is the cue that the powers and to the regulate corporation. Cooperative must stand with the state. Do you agree? Comment. 250 words. Why this question? In Union of India, Wells Rajendra Nath Shah, the Supreme Court of Parliamentary Constitution Amendment. Key demand of the question: discuss in what way the strike down of the 1917 Amendment is the cue that the powers to the regulate cooperatives must stay and with the state directives. Comment करते हैं. Here we have to express our knowledge and understanding of the issues and forms and the overall opinion there upon. Structure of answer. Introduction. Start with brief background of the 97 Amendment Constitution Amendment. Body. The 97 Constitution Amendment come into effect from the February 15, 2012. The amendment added cooperative society to the protected form of the association under the Article 9 1C and elevating and it to the fundamentals right. Explain why the amendment and was the struck down. Then discuss the factors of the increasing control of the union government, highlight the issues and with the central controls over the cooperative sector. Conclude that it is the best that the government and takes this the judgment in the right spirit and stay away and from the further meddling in the cooperative sectors and not with standing the creations of the new ministry. Introductions. The Supreme Court recently and 2:1 and majority and verdict and upheld the validity of the 97 Constitution Amendment and that the deals with the issues related to the effective management of the cooperative society, and but the struck down are the part inserted and why it and with which relates to the constitution and working of the cooperative society. The judgment and struck down part 9 b of the constitution related to the cooperative society and but save the amendment body 97 constitution amendment act 2011. इट इज़ डीट एंड विद द इश्यूज रिलेटेड करता है टू अफेक्टेड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी को इन द कंट्री में. इट वाज द पास्ड करता है बाय द पार्लियामेंट इन द दिसंबर 2011 को and has come into the effect and from the February 15 2012 it is amended articles 19(1)(c) and to give protection देता है to the cooperatives and inserted articles 43b को and part 9 and be related to them. The part and cooperatives and was added करता है after the union and associations in articles 19(1)(c) and under the part 3rd and of the constitution. This the enables and all the citizens to the form cooperatives and by giving in it the status of the fundamental right of citizen. A new article 43 and b and was added and in the directive principle of state policy and part 4 regarding the promotions of the cooperative society and son of for striking down of part of 1997 amendment upholding the Gujarat High Court and 2013 decisions is taking down and certain provisions of the 97 constitutionals and amendment, and the Supreme Court held that the parliament cannot enact करती है law and with the regard and to the cooperative society as it is a state subject. Several interveners जो रहता है and contended करता है that the amendment and made a direct enroll into the exclusive domain of state to enact the law and with the regard to the cooperatives. Part 9b क्या करता है introduced and into the constitution through the 97 amendment and distracted and the terms and for the running cooperative society. The provision in the amendment passed by the parliament and without the getting them and the ratified and by the state legislative जो रहती है as the required करती है by the constitution को. It want to the extended of the determining the numbers and of and the directors and society and should have or theirs the length of the tenures and even the necessary expertise and required जो रहती है and to become other members of the society. The strike down of the 97 amendment is a cool and there the power to the regulated cooperative must and stay with the state. Cooperative society is other state subject. कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी जो रहती है कम अंडर द एंट्री एंड 92 एंड ऑफ द स्टेट एंड ऑफ द 7th शेड्यूल. द अमेंडमेंट पोसेस एंड टू द क्रिएटेड अदर फ्रेमवर्क एंड फॉर द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी. द स्टेट हैव एक्सक्लूसिव करती है पावर को टू लेजिस्लेटिव ऑन टॉपिक रिजर्व एक्सक्लूसिवली एंड टू देम द स्टेट लिस्ट में. जो पार्ट 9 रहता है विच कंसिस्ट करता है पार्ट 9 क्या रहता है विच कंसिस्ट करता है आर्टिकल 243 एंड जेड एच को 243 जेड टी को हैज सिग्निफिकेंट करता है एंड सब्सटेंटियली इम्पैक्ट करता है स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव पे एंड एक्सक्लूसिवली लेजिस्लेटिव पावर ओवर इट्स कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर्स अंडर द एंट्री 92 ऑफ द स्टेट लिस्ट में. जो कोर्ट अपॉइंटेड करता है out how article 4243 and ZI makes it is the clear state a clear state में only the make and law on the incorporation regulation and winding and up of the society and subjected to the provision of the part 9b of the 97. लीगल इन्फिर्मिटी क्या होती है. The SC hold there the 97 Constitution Amendment requirement and ratification and by the list and one half of the state legislatures जो रहते हैं as per the article 368 and 2 of the Constitution since is the dealt and with and the entry and which was and the exclusively state and subjected cooperative societies and under the article 368 2 and the parliament can amend it करते हैं the constitution and by the passing a bill and with the special majority since such and the ratifications and was not and done in the case of the 97 97 amendment and it was the reliable and to be the struck down. Upheld validity जो रहती है of provision related to the multi state corporation society की, it did not strike down and the portions and part 9b and of the amendment and concerning multi state corporation society MSCS due to the lack of the ratification, and when it's come and the MSCS and with the subject with object and not conflict करता है to one state को the legislative powers को and would be and that of the unity of unions of state and which is contained in entry 44 entry list, and it is the declared that the part 9 and b of the constitution is cooperative करता है only in so far as it's concern multi state corporation society and within the various state and in the union territories में. Conclusion. Ministry of Corporation was formed करती थी recently apparently and with other view to giving other Philips and to the corporation movement and reforming the functions and of the cooperative societies के, and until now the subject was the जो डेप्थ का सब्जेक्ट था and with the agriculture ministry के द्वारा था it is administers and the multi state corporation society act 2002 and the new ministry and will continues work करती है and for now it will not either position पर नहीं है and कोपल स्टेट पे and their cooperatives law in the conformity and with the center visions and regarding the fate of the constitution का जो framework होता है for all the cooperative society में रहता है in country में the state has the options of reenacting करती है the amendment and with other two-third majority in parliament and obtaining a ratification रहता है by 15% of the state legislative में. Function and responsible of the union and state issues and challenges and pertaining to the federation structures क्या है and devolutions of the powers and functions finance up to local level and challenges therein. Account for the different between the state of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu के different बताना है and over the proposed Mekedatu project 250 words Mekedatu project 250 words में है. Reference why the question is amend करता है the different between the state of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and over the proposed and Mekedatu project and key demand of the question account for the different between the state of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu over the proposed and the Mekedatu project directive account bit up to the what and extended something is true and pursued the readers of the your arguments and why the sittings and relevant and research but also the remembers and to point out any the flaws and the counter argument as well as the conclude and why the starting and clearly and how far and you are in and the agreement and with the original position structures of answer. Briefly give the background of the Mekedatu project का जो example body the Karnataka state government has proposed करती है the Mekedatu dam को and projected in the Kaveri basin में originally and proposed and as the hydropower and project the revised Mekedatu Dam project apart from the catering to the drinking water and need of the Bengaluru and metropolitan city and surrounding the areas and with also the help and regulated the flow and to Tamil Nadu and on a monthly basis is and the stipulated and by the tribunals and the Supreme Court and discussed the judgment and passed with the respect and to the project and to the in Kaveri basins discuss positions and solution to it. Conclude and that other position solution. possible solution and to this new development and would be get and both state and to agree हैं the idea of other joint executions and operations के लिए and maintenance of the project और through other third party and participations कर रही है. Introduction. The Mekadatu project is a raise 9,000 crore project and which the aim है to store and the supply water for drinking के लिए and purpose है for the Bengaluru cities around 400 megawatts and MW of the power is also proposed करी है to be the generated through the project के द्वारा जो तमिलनाडु has been the opposing कर रहा है this move due to apprehension of the reduction and the diversions of Kaveri river basin. Kaveri River water body का background in February 2018 the court in its the judgment and revised कर रहा है the water allocations and the increased the share of the Karnataka by 14.75 thousand million and cubic meters TMC fit at the coast of the Tamil Nadu. The enhanced and quantums and comprised and 4.75 and TMC FT and for meeting drinking water and domestic requirement of Bengaluru and surrounding area. Accused by the Supreme Court जो था verdict था कर्नाटका का and which seized the orders and as and the endorsement and of its the stand and has set out of the pursued the Mekadatu project. Originally proposed कर रहा है as a the hydro powers and project the revised and Mekadatu and dam project and has more than and one and the purpose and two subs estimated to cost 9,000 crore and the project and envisage the constructions and of other rivers reservoir and of the 67.16 TMC and fit and capacities and which will become up and about the 4 kilometers away and from the Karnataka Tamil Nadu border. Different between the state of the Karnataka and Tamil Nadu vis and the Mekadatu. जो कर्नाटका गवर्नमेंट है as the argued करती है that the proposed and the reservoir and will the regulate the flow and to the Tamil Nadu and on a monthly basis as the stipulated by the tribunals and the Supreme Court. जो तमिलनाडु फील करता है that the Karnataka through the project and will the impound and the divert flows and from the uncontrolled and catchment and to it and the component which was taken into the account by the tribunals in the 2017 में order दिया गया था while arriving at the water allocation and plan and for the state as per and the estimated around 80 TMS fit of the water flow annually to Tamil Nadu and thanks to the catchment including the area between the Kavini Dam in Karnataka and Bengaluru and Gyuging sites on the interstate borders जो है and the area between the Krishna Raja Sagar Dam in Karnataka and the Gyuging sites as the upper riparian state has the adequate करती infrastructure को even now to the address the water need of the Bengaluru में there is no need and for the Mekadatu project according to Tamil Nadu. The Mekadatu project and also does not find and mention in the tribunal final orders and or the Supreme Court judgment and besides the giving the implement exercise experience and that it had with the Karnataka in securing its the share of the Kaveri water over the years. Tamil Nadu is very of the assurance and of the other sides. Conclusion जो तमिलनाडु जो पिटीशन है अगेंस्ट द प्रोजेक्ट एंड आर द pending with the Supreme Court and the project is aid to the get environment and clearness and from the center as way out can be found if the two parties agree करती हैं and ideas of the joint executions operation and the mentionation or to the project or a third party participation. In 2026 there will be the challenge There will be the challenge addressing the conflict between the democratic principles and the federation principle, and when there will be a relocations of the Lok Sabha seats, and India need and reimagine करता है the current federation compact to address the challenge to federation commitment. Comment to 50 words reference. Why this question? जो आर्टिकल bring to the use and the insights on the coming crisis in the Indian Federation. Key demand of the question: discuss the affairs and mentioned challenges and that India Federation is about to the witness. Comment. Here we have to express करना है our knowledge को and understanding of the issues and form and the overall opening thereupon. Structure of the answer introduction. Start with brief context of the questions in body. In 2006 to 2026, there will be the challenge of the addressing the conflict between the democratic principles जो है and federation principles जो है, and when there will be a relocation of the लोक सभा सीट्स में है, and India needs to reimagine करता है the current federation compact को to address the challenges and to the federation talk about the population freeze करती हैं for the लोक सभा सीट में and discuss the challenge and of the balancing the principle of the democracy and federation. Conclusion क्या है? Suggest way and forward on the addressing the challenge to federation. Since 1976,